Hi, I am Ismail from Pearl Lemon, and today we are going to be looking at when not to create a new page for SEO. In SEO, we often hear create more content, publish consistently, cover every keyword variation. But here's the truth: sometimes creating a new page makes your site weaker, not stronger. Today, we are going to talk about when you should not create a new page and why restraint is sometimes the smarter strategy. More pages don't automatically mean more traffic. More pages mean more URLs to crawl, more pages to maintain, more chances for duplication, more internal competition. SEO is not about volume, it is about clarity and authority. One of the biggest mistakes is creating multiple pages for similar keywords. For example, best SEO tools, top SEO tools, SEO software comparison. If the intent is identical, these pages compete. Google has to choose one, and sometimes none rank well. Before creating a new page, ask: does this keyword represent a different user intent, or is it just a different wording variation? If intent is the same, it usually belongs on the same page. Sometimes we create new pages just to target a long tail phrase, but that page may only deserve two paragraphs. That's thin content. Instead of strengthening the site, it adds low value pages to your index. Every new page enters Google's crawl system. If many pages are low value, Google may crawl less frequently, ignore certain URLs, or deprioritize your site. It's called index bloat, and it silently weakens large sites. If you create similar pages, internal links get split, backlinks get split, topical signals get split. Instead of one strong page, you end up with three average ones. Consolidation often outperforms expansion. A new page is only justified when number one, the user intent is distinct. The topic is broad enough and it cannot be naturally integrated into an existing piece. If it needs its own structure, examples, and context, then it deserves its own page. Modern SEO rewards comprehensive coverage instead of fragmenting content. Build authoritative pages, update them, expand them, deepen them. Strong hubs outperform scattered thin pages. If you see two pages switching rankings, low performing duplicate topics, search console indexing confusion, you may have overcreated. That's when merging improves performance. Google doesn't reward content farms anymore. It rewards helpful, authoritative resources. Sometimes publishing less but publishing better is the smarter strategy. SEO maturity is knowing when to stop. Not every keyword deserves a new URL. Sometimes the strongest move is consolidation because authority grows through focus, not illogical expansion. To summarize, you need to know why you are doing what you are doing when you do it. You cannot just simply create a new page just for the sake of adding more content with the idea that adding more pages means more opportunities for people to crawl. No, because if that page is similar or doesn't add anything to your website, then the most likely outcome is that you end up diluting the quality of your site by adding a page that will, take more of Google's crawl budget instead of focusing on the pages that are meant to bring you results. So please approach with caution when next you want to add new pages to your website. If you found this content valuable, please make sure to like, comment, subscribe, and share. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you on the next one. Goodbye.